How to disable Windows 11 login password and lock screen. Tap on the Windows icon and in the search bar search for your settings option. From here at the side you will find a list of options. Choose the account option and tap on sign in options. Now under additional settings you will find a option and tap on the drop icon and choose it to never. Once you do that, tap on the search icon here in your desktop and then search for NETBLWIZ. And once you do that, something like this will pop up. Now what you have to do is you have to untick the top of the box right here. Then tap on the OK option from here. Now what you have to do is you have to enter your password and confirm it, and once you do that, by just tapping on OK, the lock screen and the password will be disabled. It's simple. Make sure to give it a try and thank you so much for watching.